The other day I saw a super cool video that talked about kind of like the internet marketing recession and why like a ton of people next year are going to be wiped out of the e-commerce space, affiliate marketing, or whatever you do. And it was super true, because basically what he spoke about, this was Alex Becker's video, was that basically now it's so easy to have a funnel, to have a website, to have a store. It's so easy to run ads because everything is made for it to be super easy. Like creating a campaign on Facebook is super easy. They make it super easy now. Before it was a pain in the ass. But now that everything is so easy, it's kind of like the new standard is to have a funnel, to have a website, to have a store, to have ads. Like that should be by default. Like before, that put a competitive advantage for you. But now that's the default. If you don't have that, you're immediately wiped out. And if you do have it, it doesn't mean you will have success. It just means like you're average, right? So it really got me thinking, because what people should be focusing on, and this is what I'm focusing on, is instead of looking for the next strategy that is never gonna like stay consistent, focus on having the things that you need by default, like the store, the website, the ads and all that, but focus more on creating an irresistible offer, an amazing high quality product, and giving outstanding customer experience, because that's the only thing that will last. All the other things don't really last. And just think about it, like literally anyone can come to this industry with zero experience, buy a $200 course, create their own store, looks professional. They can get products from Amazon or AliExpress and resell them, nice products. They can place ads, the ads look nice, so they can have a professional business done in 2 weeks, right? Where's the barrier of entry? There's no barrier of entry. Everyone can get in. So if everyone can get in, how do you stay above everyone else and crush your competition? You gotta focus more, like invest more time, a bigger percentage of your time on the quality of the product. So that's what I'm doing right now. Instead of spending a high percentage of my time on marketing, I'm still gonna do marketing, of course, but most of my time will go into offer and product creation rather than marketing. That's the big change that I'm gonna be doing next year.